Today, I'll show you how to upload a long guide or workshop showcase on Steam. If you're a creator looking to share your experiences or game strategies with the world, uploading a guide on Steam is a fantastic way to do it. So, let's dive into the process step by step to make sure your content reaches the community effectively. First, you'll need to open the Steam app on your computer. Steam is a comprehensive platform for gamers, and having it readily accessible will make managing your content a whole lot easier. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary features. Once you've got Steam open, the next step is to click on Profile at the top of the screen. Your profile is your gateway to all personal content and settings. By navigating to your profile, you can manage your guides, artwork, and other creations with ease. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Artwork section. This is where Steam allows users to upload visual content related to games. While it may seem like this section is for images only, it's actually the right place to begin uploading your guide or workshop showcase. Once you're in the Artwork section, click on Upload Artwork. This option is key to adding any new content to your Steam profile. It's designed to help you share your original work with the Steam community, so don't hesitate to get started. Next, you will be prompted to enter the name of the game your guide is related to, or you can choose Not Game Specific if your content is more general. Selecting the right game helps categorize your guide appropriately, making it easier for other users to find your content when browsing for information or tips on specific games. After that, it's time to give your artwork a title. A clear and catchy title is essential because it's the first thing users will see. Make sure it accurately reflects the content of your guide to attract the right audience. A well-thought-out title can significantly increase the visibility of your guide. Now, you're ready to upload your file. This is the most critical part of the process, as it involves adding the actual content you want to share. Make sure your file meets Steam's requirements in terms of format and size. Double-check your file before uploading to ensure everything is perfect. Once your file is uploaded, click Save and Continue. This step finalizes the upload process. Steam will then process your content, and soon, your guide or workshop showcase will be live for the community to explore. Remember, once published, you can always go back to edit or update your guide as needed. And there you have it. That's how you upload a long guide or workshop showcase on Steam. By following these steps, you can easily share your knowledge and creativity with millions of users worldwide. Whether you're providing game strategies, walkthroughs, or showcasing your game development projects, Steam offers a great platform to reach a broad audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.